Hi, Scott Dillon here at MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. We're standing here inside the new Sea Ray 23 SPX. So, large open bow boat for 23 foot, storage underneath both of your sides. They do a storage in here for your anchor locker, in-floor storage in two places, up in the bow, also as well as the center of the cockpit. There is a pump out head on board, as well as just plenty of extra storage for you. Flip up bolster seat on the captain's chair. This boat was ordered with a Simrad in-dash unit, so this Simrad is going to give you the ability to have chart plotting, as well as forward-looking nav and down scan sonar. So it's really easy to use. It's like an iPhone, pinch to zoom, so pretty easy. Fusion stereo, so nice stereo system on board the boat. This one is going to be an upgraded stereo, so it is going to have a subwoofer and a amplifier. It's going to have LED lights under your seats and also in your cup holders. Folding water sports tower, so if you got to get the boat into a lower garage, you can certainly do it, or drop the tower down if you're going to keep the boat on a lift to get it lifted up out of the water a little bit higher. Built-in cooler back behind the captain's seat, as well as a lift-out cooler underneath your back seat. Kick-up backrest for people sitting on the back of the boat, and of course storage underneath, as well as a flip-down swim platform, which is one of the more popular options over the last couple years. So what this will do is flip down over. Of course, it ain't going to go all the way down since we're up against the wall, but that'll flip all the way down over and allow dogs to get in and out of the water, kids to sit down in waist-deep water. So really popular. Huge boat for 23 foot. It's got more room than just about any other 23-foot boat on the market. So it's a popular one for us, especially with a 6.2 liter, 300 horsepower V8 in it. So tons of power for this size boat. So if you got any questions on this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.